This platform is giving out free $20,000, iPhone 15 Pro, and other giveaway items to their new members. In this video, I will show you how to participate in this update and tell you everything you need to know. So make sure you watch this video to the end to learn how to make a good amount of money for yourself on this platform. I recently withdrew 10 USDT from this platform. You can see it here, and there's still more to be withdrawn. So to get started, there will be a link to this website in the video description and also in the comment section. Tap on it and it will take you to this page where you will sign up. To register an account, you have to register with your email address. Then if you click on the link, this referral code will be automatically be filled out for you. So once you are done filling your email address, tap on next. Then you'll be required to verify your email address. There will be a code sent to your email inbox. Put the code and verify your account. So I'm not going to create a new account here because I already have an account here. So I'm going to log in and show you how everything works. Once you log in, this is how your dashboard will look like. Then tap on this place that says free win iPhone 15. You will see it will pop up. Let's wait for it. So let's wait for it. So this is the you just tap on it. Then once you tap on it, it will open all the requirements you need to meet before you win the 20K giveaway and the iPhone 15 Pro Max. So as you can see here, they say register an account and get 20,000 simulated funds. Then start trading and grab the chance to win Apple iPhone 15 Pro. Then here are important tips. Say that the activity is limited to simulated account transaction and actual transaction do not enjoy rewards. Then here they say the simulation account trading results are consistent with the actual trading result. Then you can go through all these things. But let's scroll down and talk about the important part. Then they say the points in demo account cannot be transferred or purchased. Then look at this one. They say motorcycle and iPhone rewards will be discussed with the winner upon confirmation of eligibility. Then the activity is valid within 7 days from the date of account registration. So if your account is older than 7 days, then you are now qualified for this giveaway. So what you have to do is click on the link in this video's description and also in the comment section to create a new account so that you can be eligible for this giveaway. Then if you scroll down here, you see that the initial account amount, that is the amount they will give you for free, is 20,000 USDT. So if you trade with that 20,000 USDT and you increase it to 30,000 USDT, they're going to give you 5 Tron. Then if you not trade again with that account and take it to 50,000 USDT, then you are going to win 10 Tron. Then if you not come trade again and increase it to 400K, they are going to reward you with 10 USDT. So that's the one I withdrew here. Let me show you. Can see it. That's the one I withdrew here. Then if you not trade and take the account to 1.5 million, you are going to win a motorcycle. Then if you not trade and reach 5 million, they are going to reward you with Apple iPhone 15 Pro Max. Remember, the money you are going to use for this trade have already been provided to you, so don't worry about where to get capital to start trading. So now let me show you how to actually trade on this platform. So just go back. Let me go back. So once you go back, you tap on this place that says simulation. You tap on it. It's loading. So once now that it's loaded, just scroll down. So you see this place. You see where it says trade. So here you're going to put the quantity, the quantity of USDT you want to use for this trade. Then you can select the time, whether it's 1 minute, 3 minutes, or 5 minutes. Then you can select the type, whether it's big, small, odd, or even. Then big or small odd, big even, or small even. Then if you scroll down, you can select the type of pair you want to trade, whether it's BTC, USDT. You can see it here. Select the type BTC, USDT. Then so you can see the small odd and small odd, and then you can see the chart. But to make this thing easier for you and for you not to be cracking your brain to be looking for the best trade to trade, I'm going to show you a signal group we are going to use. You understand? So the thing will make the trading easier for you. And the link to that Telegram channel will be in the video description and also in the comment section of this video. See, this is the signal group here. You can see it. The name is Color Prediction Earth. So you can use this channel to be getting signals daily. You can see it. So you can see the one that traded recently. You can see the result is win. They won it. So you can use it to be increasing your that stimulated funds, and you'll be winning those cash items. So let me show you another one. This one is the first one. So there's another one. Let me show you the second one. So this is the second one. This one is BTC signal channel. You can see the one they traded recently, they also won it. You can see the result won. So they will giving you signals every day to trade, and then your stimulated fund will keep growing. And the more it's growing, the more cash, the more giveaway you'll be winning. Now that I have shown you where you'll be getting daily signals on what to trade and make profit, let me show you another thing you need to know. So this is what they call the stage plan calculator. So here, let me explain what it is. So there's something they called 8-stage strategy. So this 8-stage strategy involves allocating your funds into eight different stages. So in these stages, the betting amounts gradually increase. If you win at any stage, you will return to stage 1 and start the strategy all over again. So each stage is designed to help you achieve stable profits, ensuring that even if you experience losses at one stage, you can recover profits in the next stage. So this stage allocation, now you can use their fund allocation calculator to divide your funds into 8 different stages, with the betting amount gradually increasing at each stage. So if you win at any stage, you will immediately return to stage 1 and restart. So let me show you how to use this stage plan calculator now. Remember that you'll be using 8 stages. So you select 8 stages. So the amount you want to use, let's say you want to trade with 5,000 USDT. So just type 5,000 here. Then tap on calculate. So the thing will be calculated for you. So let's scroll down and see how it looks like. So you can see they have calculated it for me. So this at stage 1, which is also called phase 1, you can see the trade amount. Then you see the net profit. See the second phase, you see the trade amount. Then you see the profit. Then see the third one, see the trade amount, and then you see the profit. So then you can see how the net profit keeps increasing per trade. So as you can see, the net profit keeps increasing. So during each phase, our net profits will increase. As you can see, the profit in the first phase is not the same as the second one. So as you can see, it keeps growing down. You see as the profit keeps increasing. So with this stage plan calculator, you can know how you can divide your allocation in 8 stages. So this is how to use this stage plan calculator. So once you have made some profits, let's say you made some money on this platform and you want to withdraw, then just go to the home, then you scroll down, you see where it says assets, then tap on assets. Then so from here you can see the amount that I can withdraw immediately. You can see my assets 759. So if you want to deposit some money into this platform, let's say you want to trade with real money, you can tap on this recharge, then select the amount you want to recharge, either USDT or Tron. Then you put the amount here. Let's say you want to recharge with 50 USDT, you can put the amount here. Then, or you can select it. You can select it manually here, or you can type it here. Then you pay. You make your payment. Tap on next. Then make your payment. You can also recharge with Tron. You can also recharge with Tron. Then once you have made some profit, you can see this one. I can withdraw this one right away. You can tap on this withdraw button here. Then put the amount you want to withdraw. If it's USDT you want to withdraw, you write it down here. Let's say I want to withdraw 100 USDT. I'll write 100 USDT. It's the same thing with Tron. If I want to withdraw in Tron, you can withdraw as well. But now I want to withdraw as USDT. So I will type the amount I want to withdraw here. Then you see that the transaction fee is 1 USDT. So you scroll down, then you paste your wallet here, your wallet address. So you can download MetaMask on your phone, then set up an account, then copy your wallet address. Make sure that is is USDT wallet address that you copy. Then you copy it, then you paste it here. So as you can see, the one I withdraw here, I used Bitgate. So I used Bitgate to withdraw it. So if you can also use Bitgate to withdraw your own or Bybit. So if in case you want to sell through peer-to-peer, like peer-to-peer. So it's very easy. So if you have any additional question, you can drop it in the comment section and I will respond to you. And also the links to everything, like the registration, joining the Signal group, is also in the video description and also in the comment section. So in case today is your first time coming across this YouTube channel, make sure to tap on the subscribe button and also give this video a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. See you next time.